Hello, my name is Pratna Jagtap. I'm studying Advanced Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management at STEi since January 2021. The reason I chose STEi as it had the course I was looking forward to, and I had also heard good reviews from few of my friends. Plus, Singapore being such a beautiful and safe country where it is home to people from different cultures. The environment here at STEi is very pleasant. The lecturers are excellent. The sessions are very informative, interactive, and brainstorming. The curriculum is structured in such a way that every related topic is covered. We are also being handed out with supplementary. So soon I'll be completing my 6 months here at STEi. I got a placement through STEi in a renowned logistic organization under Spass. I was prepared for the interviews. There were several mock interviews conducted by the placement faculty to build up my confidence and keep me motivated. After a week of time, I got positive result for my interview and I was on top of the world. This was indeed a dream come true. All this was possible during global pandemic only because of STEi Institute. A big thank you to all the lecturers and the placement faculty involved who guided me, supported me during my